Hey everyone, Jordan here with Dennis at Yachting. Today we're on a brand new Sunseeker 68 Manhattan. This boat is arranged with the 3-cabin, 3-bath layout, plus an additional crew cabin in the aft, and is powered by MAN V8 1200s. This boat is currently in stock and available. Let's go ahead, take a look. So right now I have it in the beach club mode. As you can see, there's a nice seat, storage for dive tanks, any water toys you might have, some towels. Inside this hatch here, you do have storage for 2 sea bobs. You can access it while this door is closed as well. You'll have a rainfall shower. Hydraulic swim platform, you can add chocks to have a tender as well. Off to the port side, you'll have your swim ladder, some tie-off cleats. Onto the port side, you'll have 2 shore cords, both on Glendennings. Handheld shower. On the port side, you'll have a separate door for the crew quarter. Step inside here. The bathroom. Little wet head. Separate washer dryer. And then room for 2 crew. It's pretty roomy in here, I'd say. TV. Making our way back out. I'll show you what this looks like closed here in a little bit. So moving forward into the cockpit, here's all your buttons for your swim platform and your beach mode. Some battery switches in here. Stairs up to the flybridge. Seating around a teak table. Overhead lighting. You'll have your wing station over here. I guess aft stern station with the joystick, your ignition switches, and your horn. Pretty good visibility. Some line storage. Access into your engine room. We'll go in there in a little bit. These do unfold. Little sink here. Ice maker. And a little cabinet. We'll go ahead and make our way up to the flybridge. So right as you walk up, you'll have your bar here with your sink, your grill, an additional ice maker, and a fridge. Starboard side helm. You do have an awning that retracts. And you have an awning in the back as well. L-shaped seating around this teak table. Your Garmin screens, phone charger, your MAN screens. Bow and stern thruster. Pretty good visibility from here if you wanted the dock starboard side. Go ahead and make our way to the bow. Walking up the port side, your fuel fill, water fill. Put the covers in there. You have one of those on either side. Adjustable backrest on these with a canopy. Your windlass and your anchor. Nice big stainless anchor. There's another 68 Manhattan there. 75 Predator. This is one of our facilities where we keep a lot of our boats. It is a hurricane rated shed, which is pretty cool. So when we have hurricanes like we do here in Florida, luckily not in 2025, we actually didn't have any. Another fuel fill on this side as well, so you can fuel starboard or port side. We'll go ahead and make our way. So you'll see that all these doors do stack. If I can do that. So you can see, nice big opening. Galley aft. Miele cooktop. Convection oven, microwave. Decent sized fridge. Freezer drawer. And another freezer drawer. And all these cabinets your dishware in there. Into the salon. There's also an additional wine fridge here as well. High-low table. Off to the port side is going to be your high-low TV. Sits behind this couch here. Starboard fixed side helm. You do have your side access door as well. Laid out pretty similar to the one on the flybridge. Your stabilizer screens, fin stabilizers, Garmin screens. Good visibility. And some seating off to the port side. Now down to the cabins. We'll start with going forward into the VIP. Rainfall shower, handheld shower, porthole. I think that's about a queen size bed. TV. Off to the starboard side, you will have the twin. I believe you can move those together. So you'll take this insert out here, and then controlled through here, you can stack these beds. So if you want to make that more of a VIP, you can. This will be your day head, and then the room we were just in, their bathroom. Now on to the very large master. So as you can see, you walk down into the master, you have this little desk seating area over here, have your coffee in the morning. Little whiskey shelf, put a coffee maker there. Huge master. Sound bar down below. Main closet, safe in the back. And your master bathroom. So I'll head back out and go into the engine room. Go ahead, pause it here, and I'll climb in. So down inside, you'll have your two main screens for your engines, engine room camera, your V8 1200, starboard and port, water heater, Cummins generator, freshwater pump down there. Seat chests are nice and easy to get to. Very clean, easy to get around. Hydraulic pack for the swim platform. Full standing headroom in here. You can see your C-Bob chargers. 1, 2. And that is the 68 Manhattan. If you want to come see it in person, feel free to give me a call. I have all my contact information. Check out my other videos. I have a lot more content coming to you in 2026. And I hope to see everyone out on the water. Thanks for watching.